Hi, I'm Chris Beasley with Gamry Instruments, and in this short video we're going to be unboxing Gamry's new USB potentiostat, the Gamry PAL. So the Gamry PAL, like I said, is a USB powered potentiostat. It's a small device meant for minor applications like cyclic voltammetry or chronoamperometry. The potentiostat itself looks like a USB dongle or a USB stick. That's the whole potentiostat there. What you get in this box, besides the potentiostat itself, is you actually get a second adapter. So the Gamry PAL can accommodate screen printed electrodes. If I can open this bag. So I don't know if the camera can show it, but you can see a little slot there for an SPE. Then we have a second adapter that can accommodate a cell cable. So you pull off the SPE adapter and you slide in the cell cable adapter. So of course included is a cell cable, a 1 meter cell cable that is 2 millimeter pin jacks. Also included are alligator clips. In the box you also get a couple dummy cells where you have you get a large dummy cell for when using with the cell cable and the alligator clips. There's two sides to it. One side is just a 100 kilo ohm resistor for basic measurements, and the other side is a Randall cell, so you can actually do some potentiostatic EIS. And finally you get a second dummy cell. This is meant for when the SPE connector is installed. And again, you get two sides. You get a Randall cell side if you want to do a potentiostatic EIS test. And then you get a 100 kilo ohm resistor also for just running any basic experiment. So that's all that's included. When you want to install software, you want to install the Gamry PAL suite, what you need to do is register the device through our client portal. You use the serial number that's printed on the box or on the back of your potentiostat. You register that serial number, register your name, and then you'll be available to download the Gamry PAL suite. So if you need any further information, you can visit our website, www.gamry.com, or send us an email, techsupport@gamry.com. Thank you.